intents, I've got my AI assistant that is helping me to buy back my time and basically pick up the phone and build a report, reply to any, messages, give a response, give the overcoming objections and stuff like that, and replying to questions and all that kind of stuff. It's just like I'm saving, like, I would say 2 to 3 hours, 2 3 hours per day whenever I get calls from agents. So what I do, I use bulk upload, bulk blasting out. It's outbound marketing basically, and I use this feature that I created myself. So I upload bulk CSV files, which is about 766 LOIs in this CSV file. I upload it and just send it, blast it out. So the LOI is gonna look like this. Let me just show you for an example. Let's say house. This is manually. I'm typing right now. Cash to sell seller. Let's say 5 grand. Monthly payment. Let's say 2,500. My name. Agent's commission 2%. Mortgage balance is 250. This just for example, guys. It's just I just want to show you how it's going to look like, right? This is the letter of intent that I sent to the agents, and their name is going to pop up here automatically based on content, which agent, which property I'm blasting to, right? So the letter of intent is basically automatically, generates by the system and blasted out to all the agents whose information in that CSV file. So when they just basically they get that PDF and body information saying, "Hey, we came across your property, would like to buy your property, and we like it. Would you mind to call me, or would you have, a couple of minutes to quick, conversation, something those lines, right?" And they have my phone number, which is for inbound. I put my AI assistant, which is I use VAPI, VAPI as for talking, for the brain, VAPI basically. For the voice, it's 11 Labs. I use voice as an 11 Labs, and as like brain and basically the system and all that kind of stuff. It's OpenAI ChatGPT 4 cluster. So this is prompts that I use for my JB team. Basically, whenever they call, let's say we can just like demonstrate real quick here.
Hey, this is Bob. How can I help you?
Hey Bob, how are you? This is John. I just got a lot of intent from you guys, saying you guys want to buy my property subject to, and I'm kind of confused. Would you mind to explain what it is and how it is and how it works? Am I gonna get paid? I'm an agent. I've got my 3% commission, and I want to close as soon as possible because we need money.
Hi, John. Thanks for calling. Subject to means that the loan on the property stays in place, but we handle the payments. So think of it like us taking over the payment, not the debt. You would still get your commission, and we aim to close as quickly as possible. Does that help clarify things a bit?
Oh yeah, yeah, for sure. Would you mind to set an appointment with somebody? And I'm available whole day today. Whole day today, but ideally would be between 3 to 5 p.m. today. My phone number is 800 2525.
You're all set. All right. Talk soon.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Appreciate it. So we just spoke with the my AI assistant, right? And here we go. John 800 25 25 between 3 and 5 today. So it just automatically set the appointment for me. So I use for automation, I use N8N. So it's got good features. So webhook, it's got JavaScript code. Then it's sends to my email. So my email is basically I put it my personal email here. I can swap it to I can change it to my business email. Why personal is just for the test, right? Because my business is I've got other multiple people that they have an access for because it's still in a test mode. So for my AI is this, I mean, for me to buy back my time is basically I'm using this VAPI and 11 Labs voice, the booking assistant, right? So Alicia is right here. So basically buying back my time and basically delegate my time to AI assistant, basically work on more productive tasks that I have the whole day. every day. So, and again, guys, this is what I use as far as buying back my time and trying to, catch up on the AI side, meaning I was behind. I'm kind of technical guy, but not in, let's say, the coding and, software engineering and stuff like that. But nowadays, it's a way easier. So what I use Replit for building CRM and, systems and processes. So it's a vibe coding AI assistant who's gonna help you and help you build different kind of softwares wherever there's no limitations, guys. It's just the limitation is in your imagination, right? So whatever you imagine, so like you will limit yourself to the imagination you have in your brain, right? So whatever you have in your brain, whatever the ideas you have, you can just accomplish. There's no excuses. You can use AI agents who's gonna code, your ideas for you and create, these beautiful features just like this, like what I created without any technical background whatsoever, even though I mean, I'm an engineer in the oil and gas industry, and I've got, I would say, technical like education in aviation, but again, it's not about coding. It's not about coding, guys. So nowadays, it's all about being creative. So that's what I built, guys, and I would like to hear your feedbacks. Let me know if it's good idea, if it's or a bad idea. I know it's a good idea. I just want to hear your feedbacks, like what's your takeaways from this video. That's what I use, guys, for as far as buying back my time and basically being more productive. I did delegate less, I would say, paying tasks like picking up the phone and replying to the inbound calls, and I'm more focused on high paying tasks where, let's say for closing side, right? Whenever I have an appointment set, I just close. So I'm on a sales side, so I'm a closer. I close big tickets, big items, right? So yeah, that's being on my this is being on my creative mode, guys. Whenever I'm in creative mode, I create stuffs. So what I create nowadays, it's AI related features that is gonna help me eventually buy back my time and apply my time that I bought. I applied more on a high paying tasks. So appreciate it. Give me your feedbacks and bye bye.